winters are here, and one of the most commonly available root is the carrot or the gajar. So today, let's make a classic and very delicious Indian dessert known as Gajar ka Halwa. So hey guys, I'm Vishwanayan Bhateja and I welcome you all on Frolic Smile. It's been so long since we have met. So here I am with a very delicious and quick recipe of Gajar ka Halwa. For this we need half kg of carrot, gajar, which we have already grated, 2 bowls of cream, which is also known as malai, 250 grams of sugar, 250 grams of mawa, and dry fruit as per your taste. Here we have taken badam and kishmish, which is also known as badam and raisin. Now pour this grated carrot in a cooker. Now add 2 bowls of cream, which is also known as malai, as I have told you. Now mix this well. This recipe is very instant and quick, and it's turned out very delicious and yummy in taste. Now we'll cover the cooker with lid until 3 whistles. Now you have to make sure you have to cover this lid until 3 whistles, not more than that. Now we'll release the extra steam in this. Now as we can see, the cream has reduced considerably and it turns into a very beautiful orange in color. Now give it a nice stir. Now at this stage we'll add mawa, which is about 250 grams, and we'll mash it and mix them together. Now let's add sugar. Here we have taken approximately 9 to 10 tablespoons of sugar, and now we'll give it a beautiful mix so that these things can mix together and give it a very beautiful and nice taste and aroma. Now we'll add some raisin. Now we'll give it a nice and gentle stir until the extra liquid which came from mawa and cream get reduced nicely. Now as you can see, our halwa is ready. It will take approximately 1 to 2 minutes to turn into a very beautiful and nice texture. Now turn the flame off. Now pour this halwa in a bowl. Now we'll garnish it beautifully with kaju. You can use any of the dry fruits as per your taste. So these carrots which are used in Gajar ka Halwa are seasonal and will be available only for a couple of months. So do try this beautiful dish and let me know. So if you like this video, hit the like button, comment me in the comment section and press the bell icon so that you can be updated for my upcoming videos. Till then, bye bye.